Good morning in Chinese, I say Zhao Shanghao. Naenda kugamba good afternoon, Xiao Hao. Naenda kugamba good evening, Wan Shanghao.
Okurujira Agnes nyina Masco mushomesa hari Kwenegyeza High School abashomesa b'Oruchaina tibarikuhwerwa Gavumenti omu mishara kandi n'ebikwetagisibwa mu kushomesa tibabyine.
Currently, foreign languages ezindi twinemu Arabic and all that, but still her payroll teachers are going for payroll are those subjects. Konga Chinese cha bakajiteka abashitina manya abwenshi Chinese tekajira payroll, so we don't have teachers abali ya payroll. So nshya Ministry of Education and Sports cyane kibasika abashomesa b'Oruchaina nabo baba considering abateka ha line.
Orukwebembera ishomero rya Kwenegyeza High School Abraham Makampura yerekirengwa w'obutahwerwa Gavumenti omu mishara nibahendeka munonga kushashura abashomesa aba.
Ati twina abashomesa okugishomesa bari paid by government, so turakoresa kasete kachaka twine kushashurira abo bashomesa ande kinde byo kukoresa nabyo twine biramara akoba ni disciplinensa tikugira ngo weturaga ni izrom.
Arika bari Trinity College abashomesa b'Orumoru batworeka kuri Gavumenti nefaye kahereza n'amana amashomero g'abantu buntu agarukwegyesa Orumoru kikahwera kurukuza.
Gavumenti tunakugishabire ekabasize kutekaho some programs government sponsorship higher institutions nka universities either at diploma level ningashi at bachelor's level kwenda eyongere ku inspiring abantu kutwara ururimi then n'ekindi eyongere more resources in these schools that do offer this language.
Ngene kino shabye government ya Uganda ninti considering at higher levels bateke ejo Chinese n'ekindi Chinese is everywhere in Uganda and emirimo ziri so many but the people are so scarce, so no shabye government ya Uganda eyongere makasente akasente katire mugonga akasente tikakamaziri eyongere makasente amashomera gajina gari kujejesa gafone resources kandi n'abana babe inspired kujitwara aha ma university gabo.
Ebino bibiri biti abarikwegyesa Orumoru n'abarikwega bina Masco kwako bahatine kibateganise nibija kuhikahare ahabwo kwega Orumoru.
So omwana yaina interest nko muri business, for example na basaku traveling to China bamara kukora they can go to China but traveling abasayo, so nikibanguhira kugamba nabo communicating nabo. Echa kabiri Oruchaina oru twine investors abachina babishiro mu Uganda. There are many bakanyire barimo ni ba investing mu ihanga ryitwere.
Chinese was more interesting when atwara Oruchaina. Oruchaina roro bamunonga warukunda kandi okarkwata kandi rine opportunities nyinjo omunsi akujangu nayo ni language kandi used by very many people.
Chayenyo kukunda Chinese kuruganja omwana tukaba ntuwachinga movies z'aba China and nkaba ntakuchenga nkagumani ndikonda slowly by slowly kinija no form 1 kaba ninyega kandi ngenda kwega French konka kinashanje Chinese eri foreign language eriho nashira mungu njitware kandi njikunda munonga.
Echanje mesize kujitwara dream yanje no kuba surgeon nkarebera ali Dr. Mateka wabandi zaza China kwega Oruchaina directly narakijyampenda nashamu kujambanze ngwegere hano bunabwine opportunity kujana nabwine chance nkaza kweja university yanje heru ningo muzire yakibasize kije kunyamba ntamara imyaka nyingi mpikenda pushinga dream right away.
Abo mwakogo ekiro cy'ururimi Oruchaina kikuzibwa hansi y'omutwe Chinese Spark and Colorful Dreams n'ekigendera cyo kutungura ebiroto by'abantu kurabira mu rurimi Oruchaina. Amakuru aga gashagwa Job n'amanya Apuri omuri Kabale. Nishwote